Okay, another patch I would like to show, it's comp filter effects using delay, because this delay on the synth, it's not intended to use like a regular delay. So to do that, I'm gonna use some white noise on the oscillator. Bum, 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 bum. What is this sound? Okay, take out all the effects. White noise. Trash sound. Ah. Now white noise is very useful. So in this patch, I'm going to be using this white noise and make it very plucky, very plucky. Tick, 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 tick. Why is it making like tick, 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 tick? Ah, the repeat on push. Okay. Sounds like a hat, right? This is kind of a hat design. And then use an arpeggiator to sequence this. 116, the magic grid of the psychedelic trance. Right? Now we are hearing just the white noise. Let me put some delay on it. Now you can hear the delay in action. But it's very close delay, right? And it's on maximum value over here. The idea here is to put, let's say, like this. And now I'm gonna use a bandpass filter, high resonance. And now we have this crazy bubbling sound. Very metallic, which is comp filter effect. Really nice. Then let me put the delay time. Works really nice. Love this. A bit of reverb as well. And bam, we have